Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to stop autoplay videos in the Brave browser. Sometimes when you open a website, videos start playing automatically. This is annoying, wastes data and slows down your system. Let me show you the correct way to disable it. To disable autoplay in Brave browser, first open it and then click on this one triple line menu in the top right corner and scroll down to find this one settings option and then click on this one. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one site and shield settings. After that, scroll down and click on this one additional permissions. Now you will find autoplay option. Click on this one. Here you can select this one option, allow sites to autoplay videos, and to disable it, select this one option, block sites from autoplaying videos. In case you want to customize behavior for some of sites, there are options to block or allow. Just click on this one add button beside block or allow, and you can add any particular website you want to allow or block autoplay from that websites. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you find this video helpful, press thumbs up. Bye bye.